Welcome, friends and family. My name is Jessica Serrano, and I'm van life living in Arizona. I'm glad to see you guys today because I'm just dropping in to say a little few words about my van and a little bit of an update and what's going on, what's not going on, and all that good stuff. As you can see, I'm in my van, and this is the front. It's full of junk right now. Oh, I got a little seat here. I'm sitting on my toilet. And that's the back end with my bed and some stuff. Today, yesterday, and the day before was my purge days. Trying to get rid of stuff that I don't need that came from my RV. So, needless to say, I'm not doing really good. I keep going back every single day and trying to get rid of more stuff, and I'm not doing a good job. So, I just wanted to stop in and, just get a little update about the van. Well, as you can see, I'm in my van. It's not the mechanics no more. And by the way, the mechanics I went to here in Phoenix, Arizona is top notch. They did not screw me. They kept their word on the price. They didn't try to charge me more money than they told me. They even charged me less than what they said they were going to charge me in the first place because the guy thought I was so cool, and I was like, you know what? I'm definitely going to refer you to people that I know that live in their van or their car or whatever that need work. And he's like, yes, thank you, thank you so much. And I was like, yeah, no problem, because you guys did me wonders. I'm taking the van back next month when I get paid again to get a water pump put into it. Because unfortunately, this van was. When I purchased the van was bought by a catering business. They used this to transport food. But prior to them having the van, it was basically a motocross van. So the underneath had mud and all that stuff, caked on there. And the inside is bare bones because they had motorcycles or ATVs. I don't know what they had in here, but it was motocross. And needless to say, I'm happy. I'm ecstatic about it, and I love it. I do. I honestly love this van. Yes, it's old, but at the same time, it's as old as one of my kids. So, and I love them. So, just to let you know that I'm hoping by November to get to go to courtside just for the weekend, because I know there's an RTA or something like that happening in November, and I want to experience it. I want to enjoy a little bit of it. Why not, right? Why not? I mean, my van's not going to be the perfect thing. It's not going to be the most best looking van you're going to see. No, it's going to be bare bones. It's going to be livable though. I'm going to invest in a solar system. But needless to say, I don't think I'm going to get a battery solar system. I think I'm just going to get solar panels. And I believe I'm getting the EcoFlow power bank that has the solar panels with it at first, because in my opinion that's the best thing for me right now, because I'm a little wary of batteries, because I do live in Arizona, and Arizona does get hot, and unfortunately, like I said in my last video, we had an incident with the van lifer, and I don't want to have that experience. Not at all. Because it's going to be my dog, me, sometimes my mom, sometimes my kids, because right now, I have 2 adult children who want to go to Grand Canyon and explore and do all that fun things that I never got to do when they were little. Let's put it that way. So I can't wait for that too. But honestly, I'm happy. I am happy with my van. I love it. And I did a little decorating. But it's not not bad for beginning. Like I said, I lived in an RV first. I lived in an RV for 3 years. I bought that RV with the intentions of traveling in it, but unfortunately my engine went out and I couldn't afford an engine in it. So I lived in it on my daughter's property. And that's when I stayed, on my daughter's property, until I sold it. And then when I sold that, I had the money for the van. I started working on what needed to be worked on in this van. And tonight I'm making my first video of rust providing. I'm putting rust spray on the floorboard. Because after I do that and it's dried, my son's gonna come and we're gonna measure out. So we're gonna make a floor. We're gonna put a wood down and we're gonna make a floor so I can start. So he can start. That's what so my son can start doing the woodwork that I need, like my bed. Wait. I'm gonna show you. Okay, see my toilet right there? See my refrigerator? That's my fan, and it works perfectly. But okay, so you saw the toilet, you saw the refrigerator. Okay, so I want to make a box for that toilet, and then somewhere next to it, I want to make a box, like a table or something for my refrigerator and my power banks to be next to it, so my refrigerator will be connected and plugged in and will still, on, so it's not hot. Because I bought that one almost 3 years ago, and it works beautifully. I've never had an issue with it. And it's sat in this van since the day I bought this van, because I was moving stuff out of my RV into my van, and then my cattle converters were stolen, and then I couldn't drive. I mean, I could drive it, but didn't want to. And so I got that. It took me forever to get that fixed because of the fact that I kept finding mechanics that screwed me over multiple times. Oh, like, no, we're going to charge this much money. We're going to charge that much money. Oh, no, you can get a tow truck and da-da-da. Oh, whatever. Okay, so I found the same people who fix my manifolds is the one who fixed my cattle converters for me. And they did a A1 job, So, and I hope you guys stick with me through this process and you don't think I'm lame or old or whatever, but at the same time, this is an exciting moment for me. Some exciting times are coming because I'm almost 50 years old. 50 years old. But at the same time, can't wait to travel. Can't wait to drive this to long distance, live out, my dog, family members, whatever, just experience all this. I've been waiting a long time. I bought my RV back in COVID time. I fell in love with it. I was like, I'd rather live in an RV instead of an apartment the whole time I was back in Arizona. But then I started watching more van lifers like Chrome Vandez on Van City Van Life. Amazing guy. Like Natalie and I watch a bunch of people. Let's say I watch Nate and Natalie. I watch a lot. I watch a lot of van lifers. But honest to say, I'm very excited. Very excited because I can't wait to travel. I mean, I have to go mission the van and put current tags on it because I needed to bring the van down to the DMV because it's an out-of-state vehicle. Last time it was registered was in Richmond, Utah. So I have to go down and do all that stuff. But as soon as I get that done, this is going to be my daily driver, my home on wheels, my everything. I love this van. And I can't wait till it's finished. Honestly, I can't wait till it's done to perfection for me. Not nobody else, me. I can't wait. And just one thing on the update on health. I am taking medication to fix my stomach because I have a bacterial infection. Basically, the doctor said everybody has a bacterial in your stomach, but just half of people do. It gets worse over time for not eating the right foods or doing the right things for your body. That's me. And I'm on schedule still to get weight loss surgery. And I have a colonoscopy coming up on the 21st. Yay. But not yay. But like I said, I thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'm sorry that the videos look amateur. But this is just my life right now. I tried to buy a camera. I tried to buy a GoPro, and it doesn't work. It just the GoPro doesn't work for my phone. It works for an iPhone, and I don't have an iPhone. I have an Android. Didn't realize that. And the camera, needless to say, it was the wrong choice, because it's like I put this SD card, memory card, whatever, into my computer, and it doesn't. You can hear voices, you just can't see pictures. So I'm in the midst of returning all of it, so I can get my money back, so I can save up for a decent camera. And I understand you don't need a camera to make videos on YouTube. I know that. Just want it. Like I wanted this van. I just want to be professional. Well, I thank you guys for tuning in. And I'm so sorry that I just babbled. It's not really a video, but I will record when I do my floor. And hopefully, it comes out good, because I'm going to edit this. I'm going to see how I can edit it on my computer, because as it stands right now, if I can't get it to go on my computer, like copy from my phone to my computer, because I have a cheap computer. Yeah, it's cheap. If I cannot get it to go from one to the other, that means I have to just download it on YouTube on my phone, and you really can't edit it on YouTube. But needless to say, I will get better sooner or later. I'll get better, and videos will get better, and adventures will get better, life will get better, everything will get better soon. And I can't wait. I cannot wait. It's going to be amazing. Honestly, I can't wait. I just can't wait for the day that I leave to go on an adventure. Even that's just by myself and my dog. I'm still excited. I'm really excited. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Jessica, and I'm Van Life, living in Arizona. And one more thing before I leave. Thank you to my 35 subscribers. Oh, yay. Now, if you know anybody that likes to watch True Life Saga on YouTube, let them know about me, please. Just thank you. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for not, unsubscribing. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. And then, like I said, you only have one life to live, so go out and live it. Bye. Have a great evening. Bye.